Unlock the secrets to effortless content manipulation and arrangement in Webflow with this essential guide. Let's dive right into the Webflow Designer today. We're mastering the art of free movement for your content, giving you ultimate layout control. First, understand your building blocks in the Navigator panel on the left. You can see the structure of your page. Each element, like this div block, can be moved anywhere you need it. The key to free movement lies in Webflow's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Simply click on an element in the canvas or the Navigator and hold your mouse button down. As you drag, you'll see visual cues letting you know where it will land. When you see that blue outline, it means the element will be positioned relative to its parent release, the mouse button to drop it into its new home. But precise control goes beyond just dropping for fine-tuning. We use positioning tools in the Element Settings panel. Look for the Box panel. Here, you can adjust margins and paddings, for example. Increasing the margin left will push the content to the right, and increasing margin top will push it down. This allows for pixel-perfect spacing. When working within parent containers that use Flexbox or Grid, you also have advanced alignment options. Dragging an element within a Flexbox container, for instance, lets you control its order and alignment relative to other items. Let's see this in action. Imagine you have a hero section and want the heading to be above the image. Simply drag the heading element down until it's positioned above your image in the Navigator. Then grab the image's resize handles to adjust its size and drag it to the perfect spot. See how fluid that is? No code, just pure visual design. This free movement capability is crucial for creating dynamic and visually appealing page structures. From simple arrangements to complex multi-column layouts, you have complete freedom to compose your design exactly as you envision. Mastering free movement in Webflow unlocks a new level of creative control, allowing you to build stunning websites with unparalleled ease. Keep practicing and happy designing.